Students, welcome everyone in this class. Today I am going to teach you vector. First of all, I am going to remind some formula about vector. Look at the board please. Formula. Let A be a vector, then magnitude of vector A is equal to root over x component whole square plus y component whole square. After then direction of vector A is equal to A is given by tan theta equals to y component by x component. Listen please, y component by x component. Next one, unit vector of A is equal to vector A by magnitude of A. Then similarly, scalar product of two vectors. If A and B are two vectors, then the scalar product of these two vectors is vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. From this condition, we can find out cos theta is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B by A dot B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Similarly, here. Let A equals to vector A equals to x1i plus y1j and B equals to x2i plus y2j be two vectors. Then A dot B is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2. Here A equals to x1i plus y1j is equal to, we can write x1 y1, and B equals to, we can write x2i plus y2j is equal to x2 y2. Look at the board please. Here A dot B equals to we can write, look here, A dot B equals to x1 x1 y1 into x2 y2. Yes, after then here we can write x1 into x2. Yes, x1 into x2 plus y1 into y2. Yes, we can write this formula. We can prove it formula. Now I am going to remind you only this formula because you are in SE preparation class. Yes, so already you know about this formula detail. Now I am going to only remind this formula. After then we'll discuss about some some short questions from vector. Next formula, look at please. The unit vector along x-axis is denoted by I. The unit vector along x-axis is denoted by I, where I equals to 1, 0. And the unit vector along y-axis is denoted by j, where j is equals to 0, 1. Yes, from here I into I is equal to j into j is equal to 1. And I into j into I is equal to 0. Already you know this, how we can find out I into I equals to 1 and j into j equals to 1, and how we can find out I into j is equal to j into I is equal to 0. Already you know about this. Here just I want to remind you, this I into I is equal to j into j is equal to 1, and I into j is equal to j into I is equal to 0. Yes, after then go on short question. Let's see here please, all of you look at the board. Question number 1, short question. If vector A equals to 5i minus 4j, comma, vector B equals to 7i plus kj, and A and B are perpendicular, then find the value of k. Okay, it is the question. We are going to solve this question. First of all, look at please. If any two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product A dot B is equal to 0. Otherwise, vice versa. If A dot B is equal to 0, then vector A and B are perpendicular. Yes. So here vector A equals to, we are given 5i minus 4j is equal to 5 minus 4. In vector form we can write, in column form we can write here 5 minus 4, and it is x1 y1 left. It is suppose. Then vector B equals to 7i plus kj is equal to 7k is equal to x2 y2 left. Right? After then, since two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then A dot B is equal to 0. Already I told you, vector A dot B is equal, if any two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Understood? Okay. After then, A dot B is equal to 0. Already I told you, I have written here, A dot B is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2. It is the formula. I think you know about this formula. x1 x2 plus y1 x1 x2 plus y1 y2. x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. Now x1 value of x1, look here, x1 5 into x2 we have 7, 5 into 7 plus y1 y1 minus 4 into y2k is equal to 0. After then 35 is equal to minus 4k, side change, so it is positive. 35 is equal to 4k, therefore k is equal to 35 by 4. The required value of k is 35 by 4. It is the answer of this question. Yes, or it is the required value of k. Please, okay. After then go on question number 2. Look here, question number 2 here. It is very important question. If vector p plus q plus r is equal to 0, magnitude of p is equal to 6, magnitude of q is equal to 7, and magnitude of r is equal to root over 127, find the angle between p and q. Here, okay, already I have written here angle between two vector is theta, then cos theta is equal to vector a into vector b by magnitude of a into magnitude of b. It is the formula. I think you know about this formula. Okay, solution here, vector p plus vector q plus vector r is equal to 0, or vector p plus q is equal to minus r, squaring on both sides, then vector p plus q whole square is equal to minus r whole square. After then write down the expanded form of a plus b whole square. Already we know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, like same as here p plus q, so we can write p square vector p square plus 2 into vector p into vector q plus q square is equal to r square. After then p square is equal vector square is the same as magnitude of square. Listen please, I think already you know about this. It is the vector properties. तपाईलाई चाहिँ यो भेक्टरको प्रोपर्टिजको बारेमा थाहा छ होला. कुनै पनि भेक्टरको स्क्वायर भयो भने त्यो त्यसको म्याग्निट्युडसँग इक्वल हुन्छ. यो म्याग्निट्युडसँग इक्वल कसरी हुन्छ म यो तपाईलाई एकचोटि देखाउँछु. यहाँ लुक एट द बोर्ड प्लिज. भेक्टरको स्क्वायर म्याग्निट्युड, ओके, लुक हियर. We know scalar product of vector a dot b is equal to magnitude of a into magnitude of b into cos theta. Yes, if here vector a into vector a is equal to, we can write here magnitude of a into magnitude of a into cos, please, here vector a into vector a, so the angle between these two vectors, the angle between the same vector, please look here, suppose it is the vector a, yes, again it is vector a, let's say vector a into vector a, here angle is 0 degree, right. यो दुईटा भेक्टर बीच एंगल कति बनेको हुन्छ त 0 एंगल बनेको हुन्छ. जब दुईटा भेक्टर सेम छ भने तिनीहरु बीच बन्ने एंगल त त्यहाँ एंगलै बन्दैन. त्यसकारण के लेख्न पाइयो, cos थीटा को ठाउँमा हामीले cos 0 डिग्री लेख्न पाइयो. हेर्नुस् है, अब यो a into a के भयो त भेक्टर को स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टु यहाँ magnitude of a into magnitude of a को स्क्वायर cos 0 डिग्री को भ्यालु 1. त्यसो भए के हुँदो रहेछ हेर्नुस् त, भेक्टर a को स्क्वायर के भयो त म्याग्निट्युड को स्क्वायर भयो. अब म्याग्निट्युड भनेको त स्केलर क्वान्टिटी हो. स्केलर क्वान्टिटी हो भने अब हामीले यहाँ के लेख्न पाइन्छ, यसरी a स्क्वायर लेख्न पाइयो. त्यही भएर त्यसकारण यहाँ के भयो हेर्नुस् त. त्यसो भए यहाँ अब यहाँ लुक एट प्लिज, भेक्टर p स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टु म्याग्निट्युड को होल स्क्वायर भयो. यसरी हुन्छ है, म्याग्निट्युड को होल स्क्वायर यसरी हुन गयो. अनि इन्टु 2 भेक्टर p इन्टु भेक्टर q, भेक्टर p इन्टु भेक्टर q cos थीटा, p डट q इज इक्वल टु magnitude of p into magnitude of q into cos theta. It is the formula. Look here please. Yeah, a dot b is equal to magnitude of a into magnitude of b into cos theta. Q हुन्छ भने यहाँ p into q छ हेर्नुस् त. p into q छ भने we can write here vector p into vector q into cos theta plus this q square. Already I told you vector q square is equal to magnitude q square is equal to this. Okay. After then we have the value vector p equals to 6. So here vector magnitude of p is equal to 6. So magnitude of p whole square is equal to 6 square into 2 magnitude of p into magnitude of q into cos theta plus here 7 square is equal to this value. Substitute the value of magnitude of p, q and r, then you get this step. Okay, is it clear? Yes. After then go on next step. Here look at please. 2 into magnitude of p 6, magnitude of q 7 into cos theta is equal to 6 square plus 7 square. 6 square plus 7 square is equal to 7 square 49 plus 6 square 36. 49 plus 36 is equal to 85, isn't it? 85, yes. After the is equal to here square root 127 whole square and root cancel, then we have 127. Yes, 7 6 are 42 into 2 84 cos theta is equal to 127 minus 85. Here cos theta is equal to 127 minus 85 to 42. Yes, 42 by this 84. Yes, or cos theta is equal to 42 by 84 1 by 2, or cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 is the value of cos 60 degree, isn't it? Okay, cos 60 degree, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2. It is the value of cos 60 degree. Therefore theta here x component and y component both are positive. Yes, so it lies on first quadrant. So here cos 60 degree only. Yes, therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. It is the required angle between these two vectors. Find the angle between P and Q. We have asking here, find the angle between P and Q. So the angle between P and Q is 60 degree. It is the answer.